This is your new Himiway Zebra e-bike. Let's start assembling. Take the accessory box out of the package and make sure it contains those components. Find the keys located on the handlebar and cut tie to remove them. Use the key to unlock the battery. Remove the battery to avoid damage to the battery during installation. Assemble the charger. Safest way to charge your battery. First, assemble the charger and insert the plug into the transformer. Then, insert the DC plug of the charger into the battery charging socket. Last, connect the power plug to the power socket. Handlebar installation. Loosen the bolts on your bike stem. Center your handlebars to align to the marking pointed to. Tighten the bolts in this order to the handlebar stem, but don't tighten completely as you may want to further adjust the angle later to align more precisely. Front wheel installation. Align the fork dropouts with the axle of the wheel hub, making sure the dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Remove the thumb nut and one of the cone springs. Insert the quick release skewer through the hub. Tighten the thumb nut and then use the palm of your hand to close the quick release lever. Headlight and fender installation. Loosen the bolt on the fork brace. Please note, if you prefer not to have a front fender, you may install the headlight by itself. Align the bolt holes of both your headlight and the front fender together with the hole on the fork brace. You can find the bolt extractor inside the tool. Tighten the bolt with the 5mm wrench. Connect the light wire connectors together. Please note, pay careful attention to the arrows on the wire connectors, making sure the arrows align with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Pull one end of the fender brace until the loop at the end is centered in the bracket. Reinsert the bolt through the loop at the end of the brace and tighten completely. Repeat on the other side. Rear rack installation. Remove the bolts from the frame. Align the bolt holes of both your rear rack, then reinsert the bolt through all holes and tighten the bolt with a hex wrench. Pedals installation. Please note, indicators for the right pedal R and the left pedal L can be found at the corner of each pedal. Start threading the pedal and rotating in the direction of the pointer shown on the crank. Brake disc guard installation. Remove the bolts on the chainstay. Put the bolts through the disc brake guard, then tighten bolts. Safety check. This is your battery serial number. Check the battery status. Ensure battery is charged before use. Put the charged battery back from the bottom and lock it. Check the power supply display screen is working properly. Ensure hub motor and throttle are spinning smoothly and brakes for proper function. Thanks for watching.